So today I'm gonna be cleaning these, cleaning them, painting this black, cleaning the rail, painting it black on both seats. And also be cleaning these pieces. It's the engine, something in the engine bay, the cover. Side pieces, that's the Celica. Cover again. Oh, it looks sick. Door panels and shit. Yeah, I'm painting all this too. Center console. All this lame shit. Ew. Ew. Got a respirator. Scuffing pad. Sponge to clean everything. A brush also to clean, and spray paint and tough stuff for the seats. But yeah. Alright, so I just vacuum the seats lightly. So before, and I'm gonna do it after. Alright, so seats are cleaned, well they're sprayed, gotta vacuum them up, see how it looks, see if it looks any different, clean them better. I'm gonna spray this, brush it, vacuum it up, clean it, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna start scuffing the side parts and the rails to paint them. Then from all of that, I'm gonna go to this stuff, the dash, all those little pieces. I might not paint all those little pieces today, but they're still gonna get painted maybe tomorrow. But yeah. All right, the seats don't look any better, but at least I know they're clean, you know, or somewhat. I don't really care. I just want to get them back in the car, get the rails painted and these pieces painted and the seatbelt local, all that painted. Get it in the car and get the car on the road, and then get the car detailed. It's ugly as shit. Then I get the seats detailed. This did not clean up at all, or barely any, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna spray paint this black anyways. See how it looks, and then yeah, I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna try and get that stuff painted. Might just do the dash and some of the pieces back there, maybe some of these up here, and then tomorrow do the rest of whatever I didn't get to. Yeah. And then this is still ugly. Cleaned it up, spray painted the bottom. This is how it looks. You gotta fix all that wiring up there, or clean it up. Yeah. And for now, I'm gonna just like clean the door cards instead of spray painting them, because I'm not sure. I need a new door for this side, but I'm not sure when and how that's gonna happen. So yeah, whenever, you know, I figure that out, then I'm gonna worry about the door cards. So for now, I'm gonna just clean them up. Clean them up good. Change the handles because these are broken completely. Sorry, I got a fucking mask on. Yeah, clean it up, change those. See, they're not that bad, so spray paint. Only thing is like right there, it's dirty as hell. But yeah. Then I'm gonna spray paint them. I need to pull this little piece out. Still don't know how to pull that out, but once I get that off and that, then I'm gonna spray paint this also with everything else. But yeah, that's how it looks. Got a new battery back there. Gonna be putting all that back together, or all this back together. Want to clean this and the steering wheel. For right here, the center console thing for like the shifting and all that is broken, and that's how I got it. Like, see, this is one of the pieces from it. Yeah, so it's broken. So I don't really know like what options I have to get that fixed or to get another one. I might not get another one because I want to go manual anyways. So if I can find a way to get like a manual shift boot, even though I'm in automatic, and still make it work, I'd fucking do it. Fuck it. You gotta clean up these wires. I'm gonna just put them back. Clean all this shit up. Shouldn't be too much. It's nasty. But yeah, I gotta clean that. Put everything back in. Order the carpet sometime later this week or whatever. Put the carpet back in. Car runs. Need to get axles, tires, because these tires are dusted. They're not even on the freaking rim. But yeah, axles, drive shaft, steering rack, yeah, other little shit. All right. Now to get to the fun part, cleaning these and the rails on the bottom, you know. This plan is to spray with some degreaser, clean it, degreaser, toothbrush, wipe it up, scuff it up, and then paint it. Hopefully that works. We'll see you before and after. Before. All right. All right, after just a little bit, it's already looking better. Gonna finish cleaning that side down there. Finish cleaning up here. This side is the one that's, you know, finished. And I'm not trying to clean them to the max. I'm just trying to like scuff them up so I can spray paint them. I'm not cleaning under here either. These seats are old, and down the road for sure I'm gonna change them and just do aftermarket seats. But for now, they're good seats. They look clean. They look nice. Why not keep them? So I'm gonna finish that. Start that one. I might, since the sun's already going down, it's already looks nice out here, but yeah, not a lot of sunlight left. So I'm gonna just spray paint this one, hopefully, and then try and clean that one and spray paint it, or maybe clean that one, and then try and spray paint them at the same time. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to cleaning it and scuffing it up. All right. Staying dry. Staying dry. Not the best. Now I'm gonna scuff those parts up and try and spray paint them. All right, since it's already late, got to do this. Not the best, but just so it doesn't look all rusted and messed up. I'm gonna do those pieces. All the other pieces, not gonna do those tonight. Not even gonna start on them tonight because it's already getting dark. Just gotta have them over here. Focus. Oh yeah. I'm gonna just spray paint all this tomorrow, clean all this up tomorrow, and then hopefully either get it in the car tomorrow or have it like dried and ready to be put in the car once I get the carpet. But for now, I'm gonna try and spray paint this. See how it comes out. Honestly, I don't think it could be bad because it's like gonna go from that to black, so I don't think it could be bad. I'm gonna try, see what it does. If it doesn't do anything tonight, I'll just try again tomorrow. But yeah. Already started to look better.